So here we are in the same attic about 2 weeks later, after our negotiation to have the seller have a mold remediation company come and well, actually first we had the seller have a licensed HVAC contractor fix the B vent. That's the flue pipe for the furnace. And then they had a mold remediation contractor come and strip the mold off with, I believe they used powdered dry ice, which is a very useful material. It's soft enough it doesn't really damage the oriented strand board sheathing, but it's hard enough to bring off the mold. So that looks great. And you can see the appearance there where the darkness was, both on the sheathing and on the trusses. And now it's back to normal, just like the other side of the attic there. Job well done, and home buyer protected.